So guys, if you want to create a circular array in a SketchUp, this plugin gonna help you. That is called a 1001 bit tool, guys. So first you have to create a circle, and you have to create a group, any model that you want to array in a circular direction. So make it in a group, and then after selecting the group, first we have to create a center line. Okay, so press T to create a center lines. Okay, so first select your group here and then click here at the circular array option and type the angles and number of entities and the total distance in a vertical directions. Okay, so after doing it, you have to click on a welt option, and when you will click here welt array options, you have to click on the bottom line and then top line. Okay, so all the selected group object will be arrayed in a circular direction vertically. Okay, so if you want to create any kind of railing, a staircase, like a circular staircase, you can use it, or any kind of 3D objects. So if you really like, please watch my other videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you.